Oh my god. I don't know what animal that is. What animal is that? Hello. هذا بقرة؟
أيوة بقرة.
هذا صغير؟
غنم.
غنم. وهذا أكبر غنم؟
أيوة.
اوكي. اوكي شكرا. You're so creepy. Get away.
تعال يا حلو
This is really nice. Okay, let's go in here. I need water now.
كم الطبات؟
Hello. Hi. Hello. Let's get away from that.
اثنين خمسة لبن اثنين خمسة بصل اثنين خمسة
Hello. How much are these?
سواق 2 ريال.
Korea?
2 ريال.
2 riyal.
This 1 ريال.
Where is this from? What country? Jeddah?
ايش؟
And then you have these big ones. 2 riyal, 1 riyal. And then you have these tiny ones. Okay. And this one you cut from there.
2 ريال.
2 riyal. So you have these big ones. He cuts it and it turns into this. Hada same?
Yes.
Okay. And then he also has the bundles. And it comes in. So these ones are all 2 riyal. And these small ones 2 riyal? 2 riyal. Okay, thank you. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Good. Can I see you cutting them?
See what?
So he cuts them.
Okay.
Oh! So he's showing me. He's showing me the... Oh, I can't focus. Oh, there we go. And then he's showing me also in different styles. So they have the small one, they have the large one, and then look. Okay. That's how it looks. Okay. So you brush your teeth with it.
أيوة.
So you brush your teeth with it. And then they're 2 riyal? 2 riyal?
2 riyal.
2 riyal. 1 second.
No.
No, I give you 2 riyal. No, I give you 2 riyal.
No.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta give him 2 riyal.
Arabic no? Huh?
Huh?
Arabic no?
No, Arabic.
ها؟ هذا كوكب هنا؟ ايوه في انت كده.
Okay. So I'm giving him 5 riyal.
ايه انت بغير؟
Can I get 2? No?
No.
I buy. Okay, I buy more. I buy.
5 riyals?
Yeah. So then these are all the... This one, Miss?
2 riyals.
2 riyal. So then these are 2 riyal. And then this one, how much?
5 riyals.
5 riyal. This one's good or this one good?
سم هذا فوق هذا فوق هذا
Yeah?
تراب تحت الارض كده تحت.
This one's good.
ايوه.
This is good.
Yeah, good.
Okay, so he's saying this is from the top and this is from the bottom. Okay, I put this in there too. So he's putting it in a bag for me.
محمد هذا بلاد.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Oh. Alright. So I was there for a while. He was really nice, so he gave me an extra one. So I just bought 5 riyal worth of miswaks. Look at these. Hello. Oops. Hello. How much is this? How much?
Come on, 5 riyal,
5 riyal?
3 riyal.
So he makes it for 5 riyal, 2 riyal, 3 riyal. It's so nice.
هذا YouTube.
Yeah, can I put you in YouTube? You want to say hi? No. A little bit, not too much. Thank you. How much is it? How much? 5 riyal. What are you putting in there? Hot sauce? Hot sauce. So he's adding hot sauce in there and all the different ingredients that you have here. You can add them in there. Huh? Mar'anam? What's mar'anam? Good? Very good. Mar'anam. Okay, mar'anam means very good. Okay, I come back. Thank you. Bye.